Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday for hopefully most of you. Today, I'm going to be making a stovetop mac and cheese. I'm actually using Alton Brown's recipe for this. No modifications, not this time, except for one little one. So let's change camera angle. Have things already set out to cook tonight. Recipes. We're doing, like I said, stovetop mac and cheese, Alton Brown, and a Casual Chef Spam saute. There's debate whether or not to mix the two or to leave them separate. We'll find out tonight. And back to the counter. So we got items to cut up. Very simple prep on that end of the counter. And here's the rest of the prep. Like I said, the one modification, I'm doing a extra sharp cheddar and a Monterey Jack mix. I will be weighing the cheese on my handy dandy kitchen scale, which I've had since before culinary school. Use it a lot in culinary school. And some herbs and spices, so forth. And so I hope everybody has a great day. I'll be posting pictures like normal. And I hope you have a great day. Eat some great food. Have some great tacos. And enjoy cooking. Bye.